po si Senator Cynthia.
Well, they're related interest. Isa lang sila interest nila. Isang relationship lang yan. Diba? Isang family lang yan.
Even
isa lang.
Congresswoman.
First degree of consanguinity to the fourth degree of consanguinity. Diba? Or third degree pa. From Cynthia to the contractor's third degree.
So, sir,
Consanguinity.
lahat po sila. Even Senator Camille. Kasi naging
Siyempre,
congresswoman po siya.
kasama rin yan. That prohibited interest really has to stop. Well, isa lang yan. Marami yan. It's all over the Philippines. People know it.
Sir, ano po klase mga projects yung na-award dun?
Lahat ng klaseng project yan. Ano ba maisip mo, yun na yun. Kasama yan. Lahat. In the menu. From school buildings to roads to asphalt overlay to revetments. Lahat yan. Kasama yan.
Sir, para lang po clear, ito po ay yung panahon na si Senator Villar ay DPWH Secretary.
Yes. And also a senator. Ano yan eh. Kasama yan sa relationship na hindi dapat nangyayari. Diba? Kasi you have something to do with the, with the way that the money is involved. When you vote for a budget, kasama ka na rin. When you participate in the budgeting process, kasama ka na rin.